Alright guys, today's a very exciting day. I am getting ready to take my Jeep, my brand new Jeep, and actually get the tires and wheels installed on it. So I'll give you a shot of what that looks like before and after. And I am changing out the wheels. I've got some Method Racing 305 wheels that I'm going to be putting on it that are, sorry, let me get out of the sun there, but that are machined with a black lip on them. And I think they're going to just look absolutely awesome. So I am excited. This is probably the most excited that I've been about anything that I put on this Jeep, and I am looking forward to it. I'm getting 35-inch tires. I think we've got the right height. I think we've got the right look. I think it's going to space the tires out from the Jeep so that you'll see them a little bit better. And we've got the tire carrier on there. I think we're all set and ready to go. So a few before and after shots here. So here's the before. So it's the standard Willys wheel. It's a 32-inch. It is a 255 75 17, I believe. Just show you kind of some shots about how close we are to the wheel. Now, again, when I put the tire carrier on, I only had a finger width here. Now I've got a good amount of space. So it did bring that tire up quite a bit. And you'll see that the wheel right now, if I just run down the edge of the fenders, see that that wheel does not come out at all beyond the edge of that fender. So I'm sure that it will stick out a little bit. And again, if we look here, I did have to take off the rock rails, and I've exchanged them with the Smittybilt tubular bumpers. These are the 3-inch, but the rock rails actually came out about 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 into the wheel well in the back, and only gave me just at 2 inches here between the edge of the tire and the rock rail. So I had to take those off, and because the tire is going to be about almost 2 inches wider than what is physically sitting on here now, and that will take up all of that space. So we should have plenty of space there. In the back, there's nothing really in the back that's going to catch on anything, and that is the rear wheel. We go up to the front. Again, same thing here. Should have plenty of space. It's again a good 5 or 6 inches. We have plenty of space. I'm not expecting to have any problems with the front bumper. Should have plenty of turning space in there. We do have our lift on, just our spacer lift kit with our bumpers on, and we do have the new shocks in the front. You'll see that. I am excited. The look of the Jeep right now is pretty hot, if you ask me. I think it's going to get even better in just a couple of hours. So stay with me, and I will show you the after shots, and hopefully what will be one of the last mods we do in the near future on this Jeep. Alright, so I got to show you one thing before we go. So I'm going to open this up, but I won't be able to show you the wheels. But these things in here, these are one of the prettiest wheels that I have ever seen. I have spent countless hours looking for the right look for what I'm going for on this Jeep. These are awesome. And yes, you can put 5 17-inch wheels in the back of a 2-door JK. They fit. Not great, but they're in there. So off we go. All right, so I've got it back. We got the new tires and wheels on it, and it looks absolutely awesome. Only one small snafu. You can see the back that we've still got the original rim on it. That is because 4wheelparts.com sent me 4, not 5, of the machine-faced Method Racing wheels. The 5th one is actually a matte black. So I'm going to send that back, get the right wheel, and we'll get it swapped out. Guess I should have checked all the boxes before we went this morning, but it's all good. We got the main 4 on there, and the spare should be pretty easy to swap out. I did have them go ahead and swap out all the tires. So the only difference is this tire on the back, the back spacing on it is 6 inches instead of 4 3/4. So it's going to be a little bit tighter against the tailgate. Not a big deal. It's an adjustable bracket. Yay, we got that. But anyway, I want to show you around and let you see some of the spacings, with the new tires on it. These are 315/70/17s. It's really 34.36 inches in diameter, and then they are 12 inches, a little over 12 inches in width. And anyway, we'll show you how everything lines up.
All right, so first things first, the tires under there are much beefier. They look absolutely fabulous, I think. You see that they are, let me see if I can get in the shade where you can see the actual width of the tire. We'll start at the back. But the tire, the width of the tire is significantly wider than the original. With the Method Racing wheels on it, it does come out just slightly beyond the fender. So if I can line it up, kind of show you the same look that we got before we went. Do it on the other side as well. This is the side that we actually looked at. You see that they do come out just slightly. That's yeah, just a point of reference. There's my hand there. That they come in about an inch or so, a little bit out, which is great. Again, they are 12 inches wide. I'll show you that again. The gaps that we looked at to begin with, again, plenty of space in the back. If we look up here, again, if that had come back the 2 inches that it originally was, focus, if it had come in the 2 inches that it originally was, this tire would have been hitting that, or very, very, very close to it. So the original rock rails have to come off if you're putting a 315/70/17 tire on it. But again, the spacing at the top looks good. If we look at the front, most everything fits really well. So again, when we put this in there, we had 4 or 5 inches. Now we've got maybe 3.5, 4 inches, something like that, which is exactly what we expected. We were going to lose a couple of inches in there, and we have since done that. The only place on the whole tire, the whole everything, the whole setup that actually rubs is at full lock on the front. When these wheels are turned in, it does hit the little plastic piece here. That's actually really easy to trim. I can get the coping out, the coping saw, and we'll cut that out. That really won't be a big deal. It's just a piece of plastic. It keeps things from bouncing up on it. I may actually get some extra armor to go under there, but that's at full lock. Now that has to be all the way over, and it just barely touches. So I debate on whether I even would cut that. It's such a slight touch, but it does touch. As far as the height and the distance, we've got about the same height that's different from the bottom of the fender to the top of the tire as the original, the stock wheels and tires. So everything looks good there, but man, that is a beefy tire under that, and it just looks absolutely just awesome. So let's look at the back. The back tire again. This is it's closer than it needs to be. I didn't adjust out the adjustable slot there. It's pretty tight. The thing that you won't be able to adjust with the aftermarket tire carrier is how much space you have between the bottom of the tire and the bumper. Again, in the original, I had just a finger's width, but here I've still got plenty of space with the new tire on it, so I had plenty extra there. And I will say that Rugged Ridge tire carrier is absolutely necessary for this size tire. That is a huge tire, very, very heavy. I did go ahead and raise up the third brake light, just one more notch on its adjustable thing there. I may bring it down, I don't know. It's just slightly over the tire on the first notch, but I do want everybody to be able to see it, at least be safe. So again, that is the brand new Jeep. And again, I'm having some focus issues, so apologies for that, but it just looks fabulous, just really fabulous. We'll get the new wheel on the spare, and we'll get some shots all the way around. But it just, that is now what a Jeep is supposed to look like. So there you go.